another spot of the river we found. It's actually like a big, it's like a little lake here. It's kind of blocked off a bit. See, the water flows into here. I'd like to try to get that. The water sparkles. I'm not sure what's in it. Big flakes. I don't think I can get it on camera as well as I can see it in person. There you go. You can kind of see it there. Ah, don't get me wet, butthead. Look at it. Gold flakes. Those are gold flakes. I'm totally coming back. I'm getting some gold. There's the gold in these rocks. But yeah, the water glitters. How neat. This is actually just not too far away from our camp, actually. Right down the road, really. Not a bad walk at all. It's a very short walk. Almost around the corner. Too bad the water's so cold. Oh, it's warming up a little bit. Yeah, look. Focus. Look at the flakes. How weird. And cool at the same time. I gotta go find Boris. Boris is being a butthead, and he just keeps taking off on me. And he's gonna get himself hurt because he doesn't quite understand where we're at, and someone's gonna mistake him as a bear and shoot him or something. So, off to catch the dog. Oh no, wait, there he is. Boris! He can look at me and go the other way. The road's up there. You're gonna get hit by the millions of cars that come through this extremely weird dirt road. Yeah, okay, well, that's all.